How do you take your learning to the next level? How do you take your skills as a person to the next level? I've been reading this book called Pete, and it unlocks a different level of looking at personal development. One of the first things that it addresses is this idea that once you feel as though you've reached a certain level in your development and you think you're doing things really well, that's the moment where you need to readdress those ideas and go back to the drawing board. You need to look at the processes and see it as a form of continuous improvement. Even if you're getting the best grades, there's always room for improvement. How do we gain that improvement? It gives a lot of examples in this text. And one is about breaking down specific skills and being purposeful with it. Let's take, for example, if someone's writing an essay, they need to narrow down what is the process they go through when writing the essay? How is it that they analyze a quote? What can they do to improve their analysis? Can they pick out certain words of interest and expand on these ideas further? And if they're able to identify small areas of improvement, over time, there will be drastic improvements, even if it's a 1% improvement. So one thing that I've taken away from this is that we need to be conscious of what we're producing, what we're doing on a daily basis when it comes to a certain area that we're trying to improve. So find out what it is that you want to improve. Look at how you're doing that thing at the moment. What habits are you doing? Is it a natural, unconscious process that you're going through? And if it is, break down the specific steps, identify a particular thing that you want to improve, and then question yourself, how can I do this differently? How do I approach this differently? And that in itself will give you a better sense of development.